Welcome to Localize.
In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the Localize Figma plugin. The Localize Figma plugin will allow your design team to view translated versions of their designs directly in Figma. This will allow them to identify any design issues that may arise when the text is in a different language. To use the plugin, you'll need to set up a web project in your Localize dashboard. If you haven't already, go to localizejs.com and sign up for a free trial to create your first project. I'll be using this sample About Us web page design in Figma as a demo for the plugin. To install the plugin, select Plugins, Browse Plugins and Community from the main menu. Select the Plugins button. Enter Localize in the search field and press Enter. Click the Install button for the Localize Figma plugin. To use the plugin for the first time, you'll have to connect it to your project in Localize. Click on Plugins, then Localize from the main menu to set up the connection. The Localize Figma plugin uses the Localize REST API to communicate back and forth between your Localize project and your Figma project. To use the REST API, you'll need to set up an API key and add your project to the key. If you don't already have an API key, see our help docs on how to create a new one. I already have an API key set up for this demo, so I'll go copy it from the Localize dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys page in your organization. Click on the Edit button for the appropriate key to view the key. Copy the key to your clipboard. Switch back to Figma and paste in your key, then click the Connect button. The onboarding instructions will be shown, explaining how to use the plugin. Click through the onboarding instructions or click the Settings cog icon. You are now ready to use the plugin. Now that the Localize plugin is ready to go, let's translate some content. The source language for this page is in English, and we'll be translating to Spanish. I'll select the page that I want to translate by checking the box next to the page name, then click Next. You can translate multiple pages from your design at the same time if desired. Next, click the Push Content button. Select the appropriate Localize project and click the Push Content to Localize button. Success! From here, you can click the Open in Localize button to see the phrases in your Localize dashboard. Navigate to your project in your Localize dashboard. Select Manage Phrases. You'll see your phrases in the Publish bin and they will already be translated. Return to Figma and click the Done button. To see the translations in Figma, select the page and click the Pull Translations button. Select the Localize project from the drop-down. Then select the desired language and click the Pull Translations from Localize button. Success! A new page will be created in your design with all of the text translated. Select the new page to view the translations. Looking at your page in the target language, it should be obvious to you where there are design issues. For example, here we see the names of the menu items are running into each other. And here we see that the translation has created a widow in this sentence and pushed the sentence too close to the next element on the page. As a result, changes will need to be made to your design to allow for the longer text in the translations. As you can see, the Localize Figma plugin can identify design issues that may arise when the text is in a different language, well before it goes to your development team, saving you time and money.